Hello everyone and welcome to the shopper group session of the first training session, Shopping Cart. Let's get started. What we'll be talking about here is within the shopping cart you can have different shopper groups. To see this, let's go to the shopping cart on the back end. You will need to be logged into the administrator section of the back end of your site. And here you'll then go to users. And I'm going to first show you users as to where you can assign a shopper to a shopper group. And a good example of using shopper groups is, for example, if you have a store or school, if you have school purchasers, and maybe you give schools 25% off all of the products on your site, and maybe you offer purchasing order, a COD type scenario. So just to make it so they can order quickly and efficiently, and then you can invoice them later and they'll get their products and that. So of course you'd have to have a relationship with that shopper. But I'm going to go ahead and say, if you notice, I already have an account on here. And I just realized I had it earlier. Through a training session, I assigned it to the shopper group. But you'll see here that typically everybody's using default. Default is the default shopping group. I'm going to go ahead and assign this one to Golden, but I'm going to do it in such a way that assigning it to Golden, I'm going to now show you that shopper group Golden, and we're going to change it because I'm going to actually use a scenario where we are selling to schools and we are offering 25% off to that school shopping group, and they use their own special payment. So I'm going to change Golden shopping group. And I'm going to call this one School Purchasing. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and give them a 25% discount. Here we go. School Purchasing with 25% discount, just for note's sake, with allowing COD. Okay, so now that I've modified this guy to be schools, let's go ahead and save that. Now I've got a school user group, school purchasing user group. With that in mind, there's a couple things I'm going to do. I'm going to, one, go to Store, list payment methods. I could, if I wanted to, go into COD and change this. Method to be for school purchasing agents. So what this means is now if I activate it, and I'm using COD, no payment class, but I'm just address only, cash on delivery. I'm giving them the ability to now hit save. Now, since I'm a user, let's go ahead and go look at users again so I can get the point across. My account for this site here is this one here, and I'm a user group assigned to school purchasing. Now on the front end, if I go to, like say for example, this Fireball Yo-Yo, and I am logged in right now, I just want to point that out, I'm logged in. And you'll see one, and I have to show this, I have to go to the Yo-Yo to show this on the back end. Let's get to that Yo-Yo. You'll see first of all that the Yo-Yo is $10.99. That's the regular retail price for it. But since I'm logged in on the front end as that type of shopper group, my original price, or the price that's offered to me, is $8.24. Now you should see this, because the reason why I picked this Yo-Yo is I know I have a discount on this Yo-Yo. This discount is 20%. So it's still, even though they are getting a discount on the front end, they're getting another discount because I've given a discount directly to that product right here. So that's an important thing to note when you're offering products to other user groups. They get a discount on top of any other discounts that you've applied to a product on the site. So if you're doing multiple user groups, that's something to keep in mind. But I'm going to go ahead and go buy it, and you'll see now. Oops, I've already done this before. Remove the yo-yo. I'm ordering 100 of those yo-yos for my school because I'm going to do a big yo-yo class, and they're at $6.59 each. So let's go to checkout, and I'm already logged in, so we're going to pass through that login process. And state region. Hit save and continue. I must have been playing with that earlier in the video training sessions. And now I got my shipping options. I'm going to go ahead and just say local pickup because I'm a toy store, or I'm in a school close by. Or local delivery was another option that we did earlier in our training session. If they had a gift card or coupon, they could use it right now, so could redeem it. And then you'll see now, along with the credit card payment option, there is also the COD option. So because of the user type that I am, I can do COD. Now, and hit continue. So I didn't have to use any type of credit card information or payment because I'm the user group that has a certain payment option available to them, the COD area. And then I could just go ahead and proceed to place the order. If I wanted to, I could leave a note in here, all the different things, they're still there. It's just that I get another payment option. So placing the order, thank you, view printable receipt. And you'll see here in the printable receipt that I actually did local pickup, and it has the address of the store in there. And you'll see that there's my 100, and my payment method was COD, so you get notified that, and I'm notified that. And there's the exchange policy that we have being displayed, the attachment on there. That's pretty much the power of a shopper group, is the ability to give group discounts and set up group payment types. So that way, depending on the type of user that's logged in the shopper group that they're assigned to, they have different options to use. And the demonstration I gave was just to kind of give you an idea of what you could use it for. Like, for example, doing schools or special groups or churches or any of those things you can set up for purchasing agents. You could set up a special type of user group or shopper group. That's it for this video. And please proceed to the next ones of this session.